Hey guys, it's raining. It's raining. It's rider only.
Good to see you, Maya.
Okay. I'm gonna sit in the back to get a better view. Let's start the ride.
Heading to Presidio of San Francisco. Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened. For any questions, press the call support button to speak with a rider support agent.
Okay guys, it has been raining so much tonight in San Francisco. When I was getting ready to go home, I hailed the Waymo. I had a bit of a wait, a little over 20 minutes, and it was raining the whole time, and I just thought, what's gonna happen? And here it is. Okay, I'm gonna put on some music and I'll be right back. Okay. There is light rain, but as you can see, the streets are wet. This is a rider only. I'm sitting in the back to give a better view for my second ride with rain. It is Thursday, February 23rd, and it's just after 11 p.m. and it's raining. Whee! Okay. I'm gonna catch my breath, fold up my umbrella, and I'll be right back with some more. I think I'm gonna try the pullover button for the first time.
Looking for a good spot to pull over.
Okay, I'm gonna move to the front seat because I feel much better up there. Okay, I moved to the front seat. I'm gonna resume my ride.
Resuming ride.
Someone, when you're asking her to stay, I met someone. Okay, this is serious grade. It's happened, you guys. You.
Hey there, Maya.
Oh.